Halelia Mainko and greetings. My name is Melsina Folau and I'm the chairwoman for the United Micronesian Women's Day event coming up on March 7th. I would like to invite all my Micronesian sisters, your families and friends to come out and join us in this event.
I feel like it's important that the women get together for this event that we're doing. You know, Utah has become our home away from home. I know sometimes it gets lonely for us to be away from our islands. We miss a lot of things from back home. We miss a lot of faces that are familiar.
There is more of us here in Utah than most of us think. And so that's why we're putting on this event to bring us together as one Micronesian sisterhood and to embrace each other, empower each other in this new place we call home.
Ladies, you're not alone. You're part of the Micronesian community here in Utah, and we love you. We want you to come out and have fun with us. Let's get to know our other Micronesian sisters and enjoy the music, and then there's going to be great food too from all the Micronesian islands.
We're going to be seeing the different dances from Chuuk, from the Marshall Islands, from Kushai and from Pohnpei, and others hopefully will be here to showcase their talents, and we'll have music and dancing and also some interactive games that night. And most importantly, come out and meet all of the Micronesians that you haven't met yet. It's going to be held at Pacific Heritage Academy on March 7th, and we just can't wait to see you there.